Milk thistle, cleanse and revitalize your liver. Introduction. The liver is among the vital organs of the human body. It is that is responsible for detoxifying harmful chemicals, processing nutrients as well as making the bile. In our contemporary lifestyles and constant exposure to toxic substances as well as unhealthy food choices, it is possible for the liver to be stressed and overloaded. It can cause a variety of ailments and the necessity to cleanse and rejuvenate the liver. In this post, we'll look at the advantages from milk thistle, a natural plant that is renowned for its liver protective benefits. Understanding milk thistle. Milk thistle, also known as Silybum marianum, is a species that is native in the Mediterranean region. It's been utilized since the beginning of time as a natural treatment for liver diseases. The main ingredient of milk thistle is a flavonoid compound called silymarin. Silymarin is an effective antioxidant and anti-inflammatory chemical that is thought to be the main cause of the benefits that milk thistle has. Liver detoxification. Environmental toxins, processed food, drugs as well as alcohol may burden the liver, causing it to suffer from function. Milk thistle helps with detoxification of the liver by increasing the production of liver enzymes, which help in the elimination of toxic chemicals. It can also assist in eliminating toxic substances by increasing the flow of bile that removes waste from the liver. Protecting against damage to the liver. The liver can be a victim of harm from a variety of causes, including alcohol, free radicals, as well as certain drugs. Silymarin in milk thistle acts as an antioxidant that is potent, neutralizing damaging free radicals while reducing the oxidative stress that liver cells experience. Research has shown the fact that milk thistle can help protect the liver from harm that is caused by drugs, alcohol, as well as certain toxic substances. Support for liver regeneration. Regeneration of the liver is an essential procedure for maintaining the general well-being. If the liver cells have been injured, milk thistle aids in their recovery, encouraging the development of new, healthier cells. The properties that is present in milk thistle makes it beneficial to those suffering from liver disease such as liver cirrhosis or patients recovering from surgeries related to liver. Anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation in the liver that is chronic could lead to severe illnesses such as hepatocellular cancer and liver fibrosis. The anti-inflammatory properties of milk thistle aid in reducing inflammation of the liver, thus protecting against further damage as well as enhancing general liver health. Improved digestive health. The liver plays an essential function in digestion, producing bile, and also helping to break down fats. Milk thistle helps to improve digestion through boosting the production of bile and enhancing fat digestion and absorption. It can help ease frequent digestive problems and help promote the health of your gut. Antioxidant effects. Silymarin in milk thistle is an antioxidant with potent properties which protects the liver's cells from the damage due to free radicals that are dangerous molecules produced through metabolism and exposure to toxic substances. Through reducing the stress of oxidative, milk thistle can help prevent liver disease and improves functioning of the liver. Support for liver diseases. Milk thistle is used to treat liver disorders like the fatty liver disease, hepatitis, as well as the cirrhosis of the liver. The liver protective properties and the regenerative qualities provide a herbal remedy that can complement conventional treatment and enhance the health of your liver. Dosage and precautions. If you are considering milk thistle supplementation, it is crucial to adhere to the suggested dosage guidelines. The typical dosage is between 200 and 400 milligrams of milk thistle extract, standardized to have 70 to 80% silymarin. It is taken up to 3 times a day. But it's recommended to speak an expert in your medical field prior to taking any supplements for the first time, particularly if you already suffered from medical issues or take medications. Conclusion. In the end, milk thistle is a potent herb extensively used to purify and rejuvenate the liver. Silymarin, the active ingredient, offers numerous advantages, such as detoxification, protection from damage to the liver, aid in the regeneration of liver tissue, anti-inflammatory properties, and improved digestion, antioxidant benefits, and help in the treatment of liver disease. Although milk thistle can be a beneficial supplement to a healthier lifestyle, it's important to speak to an expert in the field before beginning any new supplement. The health of our liver is essential for general health as well as our overall health as well. Milk thistle is a natural all-rounder in this effort.